What a game of football we just witnessed. St Kilda were up by 26 points at one stage, and the Crows were up by 29 points. Now the Crows moved 3-3, and I mean St Kilda, they did well, I reckon, in my opinion. Just some of those crucial misses early on, especially in that third quarter, was it? Or second quarter? I can't remember exactly, but they didn't take their chances in front of goal. But same as Adelaide, they didn't take their chances in front of goal in that last quarter. They kicked like 5 or 6 behinds. So, yeah, but what a game of football. We've had 1 point, 3 points, I believe, and about 7 points or something like that. So what a game, what a day of football.